Good morning, everyone. Our lesson for today is all about weather disturbances. Before we discuss our lessons for today, we are going to talk about its objectives. So, after the lesson discussions, the students should be able to define the different types of weather disturbances, describe the effects of typhoons to living things and environment, design their own emergency plans. To ensure that you really have understood the lessons we've discussed for today, I am going to ask you some questions. Number one, what is weather disturbances? And number two, what are the different types of weather disturbances? Number three, what is a typhoon? Number four, what is a monsoon? Number five, what is a tropical cyclones? Number six, rather, what is a thunderstorm? Last question, what does ITCZ stands for? It seems that you have understood our lesson for today, so we are going to have our assessment. So for our first activity, we have here true or false. You answer true if the statement is correct and false if the statement is incorrect. Write your answers only. For our next activity, I want you to draw the effects of typhoons to our surroundings and to our environment in a bond paper. And also, I want you to describe what you have drawn. So for our next activity, I am going to group you into three, and each group will design their own emergency plan. Group 1, you will be assigned to do an emergency plan before pa nahitabo ang bagyo. Kung sayangay na to nga i-prepare, on sayangay na to nga buhaton. And group 2, you will be assigned to during the typhoon. Unsa atong angay nga buhaton sa kamulo ang bagyo. And group number 3, you'll be assigned to do an emergency plan kung unsay angay nga buhaton after sa typhoon. You have to be creative in designing your own emergency plan. After ninyo mabuhat inyong emergency plan is i-present na ninyo diri sa atubangan o i-explain ninyo kung unsa ang sulod sa inyong emergency plan. For your assignment, I want you to read news articles about the typhoon in the past years that occurred in the Philippines and made a great impact on our surroundings.